Hey everybody, and welcome back to a new video. So I am welcoming you today to the very first Mike Drones and More International Invitational Tiny Whoop Indoor Race. And this is the first one, and will probably be the last one of its kind. Alright, so I'm going to take you through the track here, and then I'm going to take the Tiny Whoop and we're going to do some racing. So, we're going to start over here at the starting point with the tape. After the takeoff, we immediately go through the first gate here, in through the kitchen of chaos, past the refrigerator. We will go through the second loop here, down through the third loop here. We will make an immediate turn past the upside down deer into my next gate here, coming across again the kitchen, up through the next hoop here. Once we come around to the next hoop, we'll then go by the chasm of television through the first loop here, and then through the second hoop, and then we'll make another turn. We'll come up and we will be going through the suspended gate, and then back down, and then through the next gate, and then back down again. So, not a huge race, but I think it's going to be kind of cool and kind of fun. Something fun to do on a snowy day. Today in Colorado, I think it is 30 degrees outside, and we've got lots and lots of snow. So, not going to be able to be flying any drones outside anytime soon. Alright. So, I'm going to shut the door here. Hold on a second, guys. I'm going to pause the video and then we'll get racing. Guys, let's get our tiny whoop race on. Here we go. Pilots, ready? Every pilot have good video. Good video. On the counter.
Ready, set, go.
guys, so that was the ever first Mike's Drone and More first Tiny Whoop Invitational at my house. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Tiny Whoop race around my house. I just got these from the dollar store. They're pretty cool. So guys, thanks for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. And if you want, you can hit the subscribe button for it. And if you hit the bell, it'll let you know when we get new videos. Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Every other Sunday we do our live Q&A. And in between those Sundays we do a patron only. So if you can, help support the channel. In the meantime, guys, while you're waiting for the next video, let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for hanging out.